Hello, my name is Amarjeet Gupta, and today I am here to talk about something, a skill you must have. The skill name is problem solving. Problem solving nature, because last 15 to 20 days, my setup is not good, and I'm facing a lot of challenges, and I have to write I have to write a very bent body with very with bent body. And today I'm thinking I have to bought a chair, or but it takes approx. I wanted to buy a good chair and rotating chair, wheelchair type. So so it takes approx 2 to 3 thousand rupees. But I thought this work, and I also thinking I can buy a uh, desk, so that my setup is become a good. And because my bed is too not too much height, so I just think what I can do, and I am facing a lot of challenge. So I thought, so I bring approx 8 bricks, and each in my bed, 4 pillars, you can say. Yeah, you can say pillars. I put two bricks in each pillar, and now this is my setup, and I am very happy with this setup, and I will continue my study with this setup. And I don't have to buy anything, any desk or any chair, because if you have if you become a problem solving nature, so even in most difficult situation, you try to find out a easiest solution which is good for you. And if you are thinking each problems have two or more solutions, and if I'm talking about, I wanted to buy chair for me last 1 years, last 1 years, and I thought I buy a chair uh, which is cost approx 4 to 5 thousand. But I thought I already have a chair approx 15 to 20 rupees. So I just say I will buy after some time. And after 6 months, I leave that place, and I came in another place, approx 300 kilometer away. So that's a good thing for me. I can I can understand. I can say to myself, wait, I think something is big is going to happen with me. And now I came here, and if I invested my money in chair, so that is not good for me, because because I am living in a rented room, so I have to pick up my items one place to another place. It is very not comfortable for me. And Yeah, I am feeling good. I was not invested so much money on that time. And today I also say myself, not this is not time, this is not good time to waste our money, because I have to also pay room rent and a lot of expenses I have. So this is a unnecessary, you can unnecessary expense. So I save this expense, and now I make my desk to my bed, and I got a chair from landlord. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I actually, my motive to uh, share this skill, become a problem solving nature. It helps a lot of things, and it helps also a lot of it is good for your life. Thank you so much.